Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am gonna share this retro makeup look with you all. So if you like the video, then please tell me in the comment section, and please keep sharing my videos, keep supporting me. Take care guys. So at very first, for the moisturizing part, I have taken my Nivea Soft Vitamin E Moisturizing Cream. It's a very good cream and suits in every skin type. If you are having oily or a dry skin type, you can definitely go for it. Now I have taken my Nivea Fruit Lip Balm and gonna apply it and gonna give quick massage to my lips with it. Now I have taken my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Here my shade is 220. You can choose according to your skin tones and skin types. For the blending part, I am not using any beauty blender or a brush. If you want, you can definitely take, but here I am using my hands for the blending part. Remember, you have to apply it in your upper forehead portion as well, near your hairs, your ears, and your neck as well. Now I have taken a liquid concealer. It's from Swiss Beauty. It's not a waterproof concealer. To hide uneven skin tone wherever you are having, you can use a concealer. Now I have taken a damp beauty blender to blend my whole concealer wherever I have applied it. Just blend it very fast in a dab motion. You don't have to drag it on your face. I will apply it on my upper eyelid as well to get a good pigmentation from my eyeshadows. Okay, so here I think it's done. Oh, now I have taken my NYV contour stick. Here my shade is Toffee. You can choose according to your skin tones. So here I am contouring my cheeks, my chin, my nose, and my upper forehead part. For the blending, I have taken an angular brush and gonna blend it in this motion. You can see. It's a very good contour stick. It gets blends very easily, and I will provide a link of every product I have used in this video, so you can go and definitely buy it, okay, if you want. So you can see the flawless base it gives. Now for the packing part, I have taken a compact powder from Faces Canada. If you're not having compact powder, you can take any loose powder, any translucent powder. I'm not applying it wherever I have applied a contour stick product. I'm only applying it where I have applied concealer. Now to pack my creamy product of contour stick, I am taking a eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty and taking a chocolate brown shade from that and applying it wherever I have contoured my face. Okay, so you can see the results. You always have to pack your creamy products with the powder products. So now I am brushing my eyebrows. It's done. To filling my eyebrows, I have again taken this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. It's a very good eyeshadow palette and it can work in very different ways. I have made a video on that as well. You can check that. For the filling part, I'm not doing much to my eyebrows. Okay, so these are done now. Again, I have taken the eyeshadow palette for the eyeshadow. Now I have taken a chocolate shade in a fluffy brush. Gonna apply it in my whole eyelid from the outer part to the inner part in a circular motion. You have to apply it quite darker. To make it darker and give a wing, I have taken a pencil brush. With the help of this, I will make a wing at the outermost corner of my eyelid and highlight my crease line with it. Now I have taken a black shade in the same pencil brush, and very slowly you have to do this step because it's a black color. It can just make worst your makeup. Okay, so you have to do this very slowly. You have to take it to the inner portion of your eyelid from the outermost of it. Okay, so you have to do it like this. I will just blend it with my fingers if it's needed. Now I will take a fluffy brush and just mix both the colors which I have applied before, the brown shade and the black one. Now I have taken my Lakme Spotlight eyeshadow palette and I just love this product. Now I have taken a shimmery black shade from it, and this was just amazing. It gives some magic to your eyeshadow. You can see. Wow, that's amazing. I personally loved it a lot. For the inner corners, I have taken a pencil brush and the shimmer shade and applied it. Now I have taken a white eyeshadow, sorry, not eyeshadow, but a kajal from NY Bay, pencil kajal, and applied it on my waterline. Now I have taken the same shade which we have used for the upper part of our eyeshadow and applying it in near my waterline. Now I have taken a Lakme eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner it is. From the middle of my eyelid, I am applying it to the outermost corner and giving a little wing, not a little but a quite big wing. And now I will join it to the inner corner. Now I have taken a Faces Canada mini mascara. It gives a very good volume to your eyelashes, but it's not a waterproof. Now I have taken a kajal from Ali 18 and gonna apply it in my upper eyelids. You can see my both eyes are done here. Now for the blushing part, I have taken you can take any red lipstick if you want, or if you want you can use blush, separate blush as well. For the blending part, I am taking a fluffy round brush. You can see it's a very good. Lipsticks works very good as a blush, so you can see. Now I have taken my NY Bay liquid lipstick, red kind of shade it is. And you can see it's a very good color and it suits in my makeup look. Now for the highlighting part, I have taken a Swiss Beauty Bricks what it is, highlighter. So I am highlighting my cheekbone, nose, chin, cheek, forehead as well. For the highlighting my eyebrows, I have taken I have taken a pencil brush. Near my eyes also I am using pencil brush. To fix my makeup, I have taken a Swiss Beauty makeup fixing spray. I will just remove the excess. So this is my final look. Hope you will like it. Please tell me in the comment section if you like the video, and please keep supporting me. Bye guys, take care.